Hello everyone, it is my 25th day in investing drip community and drip garden, and in 25 days my passive income grown to 80 USD, which is not a deal. The thing is I won up to 0.8 drip. So basically it has been grown very well, but unfortunately drip price is down, that's why it's showing only $70. But whenever price will be increased, so definitely I will be in more profit. So right now it is $80, and let's get to drip garden. In drip garden I have made 122 plus $50 I withdraw around 2 weeks ago. So I have made $172 in drip garden. It is growing very good, and now I am going to withdraw. Today is basically a withdrawal date. How to withdraw from drip garden, this is my video about. So basically first you have to, as you will come to this website, it will be disconnected like this. There will be option to connect your wallet, and income will be 000, everything will be 0. So first you have to click on connect wallet. It will click on MetaMask. I have already connected MetaMask here. So this is my MetaMask connected, and here you can see it is 0.1720 drip and 25 BUSD, which I have withdrawn from drip garden. And when did I withdraw? I withdraw this on 10 February, so right after 50 days, 5 days, sorry. So today we are going to withdraw $122 I have made 122, and 50 is already in my wallet. So to withdraw your money you have to scroll down, and here are 4 options. If you will click plant seed, it will reinvest your amount in it, but we have to withdraw money. For that we have to click on harvest seeds. It will go to MetaMask for gas fees, and here is gas fee, the new gas experience. We have to have gas fee. Okay, then I agree with that. Okay, confirm. So here it is shown that harvested is successful. It means it's withdrawn. So for that you have to go on exchange on liquidity. It will be here. You have to change pair to drip maximum plus this. Okay, okay, so you have to click on trade liquidity, and here you will see the screen. You have to click on remove. How much you want to remove? You just have to click I want to remove maximum all. So the drip will be 0.7 and BUSD $61. Okay, this is the worth of BUSD drip, and this is the amount. I will click on enable and then click sign. You will get a notification in a while. You have to wait. Okay, now click on remove and click confirm. It is waiting for confirmation, and click on confirm. See, it is transaction submitted, it is completed. Here you can go, this is the transaction ID where you can see that it is a withdrawal. And secondly, you just have to click on your MetaMask. Okay, here we go. Here you can see, so it was $25, now it is 86 BUSD, and it was 0.1 drip, and now it is 0.8 drip. So it is basically converted. This is a good idea. If you want to exchange, you can click on exchange, and here you can select drip and click on maximum. In which currency you want to change, just click on that. I just want to go with BUSD. Here you can see it is a $70 if I will just swap, but I don't want to exchange for a while now. I just want it to be in my account. The thing is, I just wanted to show you that in my drip garden now there will be definitely this balance. Here you can see I have $43, but up to now I have earned 0 because I have withdrawn all my money from it. The thing is, it is growing again. Here you can see it is growing. So this is how it works. Okay, and my balance is in my MetaMask. This is how you can withdraw your drip BUSD. So I have this BNB, and I have this BUSD, and I have this drip. So this amount is secure in my wallet. If in any case drip is not going to work for long term, definitely I can use this money as well. And this is the drip community, and I have earned $78, but I'm not going to withdraw right now. I will wait. And another thing is, this is my another account. In here I have only one drip, and I have earned 25 USD and 0.2 drip. This is my drip garden, and I have earned this $40 up to now, and it is still increasing. It is going on and on. I want to withdraw this. So how we can withdraw? Let's do it again. We just have to go to scroll down, click on harvest seeds. Okay, click on confirm. Now you will get a notification that the harvest is successful. Here is it is successful. Now you have to go to trade and click on exchange. Okay, you just have to click on I understand and import. Okay, just let it go for a while. Click on trade and click on exchange. We are at the exchange window, and here you have to click on BNB, and here you have to select drip. This is drip. Okay, the thing is, first we have to withdraw. Sorry, I was saying you to exchange, but first you have to click on trade and then liquidity, and here is your drip. Okay, here it is showing pool drip 0.23. Where is my drip card? And I have to show you first. Now here you can see that I have 0 balance because it is withdrawn to pancake swap. And now you have to click on remove. How much? All. Then click on enable. OK, sign, and then you can remove. Click on confirm. So it is basically done. Here you can go to trade exchange, click on drip, this is how it is. Click on maximum, click on BUSD, and here it will be $18. Okay, so I don't want to convert it, but this is how it's going to work, because at the moment the price of drip is at very lowest point. The good idea is you can buy, you can compound as much drip as you want. This project is going to be a long-term project. So thank you guys. In this video we learned how to withdraw from drip garden. In next video we will discuss about drip community and Titano. Thank you, have a good day.